Hi, this is Robin Heppel from Funeral Gurus. In this short video, we're going to talk about how to create and announce your coronavirus statement. Now, off the top, this is just a very top-level view. I do recommend that you discuss this situation with other members of your staff, your different peers within the funeral profession, and also with your regulating bodies. So as an overview, this is what needs to be done. You want to compose your statement, post that statement on your website, promote that statement on social media, and then review and revise that statement as needed. Let's dive into each of these. So in composing your statement, you first want to conduct some research and consult with your staff and management team. State the current operational status of the firm. Provide any directives from your governing bodies. Announce any additional measures that you have taken as a firm to increase the health standards and safety standards for everyone attending services, and also offer additional or amended services. Let's take a look at a statement that's already been created. Here's a statement created by McCall Gardens in Victoria, BC. So just very basic. You have your opening statement, reassuring the public that you have gathered this information or this information's been pulled together from major health authorities. And then here they're using just some bullet points of different things that they are doing internally, just to put the public at ease. And then they're also suggesting different services that could be done by not actually coming into the funeral home, and then finishing up with some links at the bottom, and then just the sign off of Trevor McCall, the owner. So you can this link will be provided. You can check this out as an example. And I'm sure that your inbox is full of different coronavirus updates over the last couple of days. Some of those additional or amended services could be offering a live stream or on-demand video of the funeral service for people who may be sick and shouldn't attend a live service. You can also offer to make the arrangements online or partially online, or even over the phone if they don't feel comfortable coming into the office. You can also offer to have the form signed online through a secure signing program. And you can also offer digital identification of the deceased through that same secure signing software. Again, these are just a sample of some of the offerings that you could offer if you have the resources available to do so. Now, once you have created your statement, you need to get that statement out just on the website itself. So you can create a post on your website. You can also add a banner or a call out onto the website, or a slider on the homepage if your website's set up for that. Again, just letting people know that you have the information. You can also add a small excerpt to the obituaries, and we'll just take a look at some of those samples here. So on this McCall's example, here is the slider that has been updated. There's also a little pop-up here that has that information. And then if we look at the individual obituaries, there's just a small little text notice here at the bottom of the obituary with a link that will take them back to the statement. Next, we want to promote the statement on social media. So this can be done through a post on Google My Business, on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And just look at some of those examples again. Here's the post on Facebook here. And these can be pinned to the top as well if you want. Same here with Twitter. You can see this is again just pinned to the top. These can always be taken away later. And the nice thing about this is that you're directing them to a page that you can go back and edit if needed. Oh, and finally, here is the post on on Google My Business. A lot of folks don't know that this can be added, and it does. The nice thing about using Google is, well, Google always likes to know that you're using the different options that they provide you, is that you can then, it's actually visible if people search for the funeral home. So here we have just a Google search for the funeral home. We're using just an extended one just because there's 2 locations. But as you scroll down, you'll actually see here that it actually comes up in the knowledge panel here. And then finally, you just want to make sure that you review and revise your statement as needed. Again, this is a fluid situation. Things are always changing. So you may need to update your statement, and that can be easily done. And by pinning that post on your various accounts, you're not going to have to go back and change things again, unless maybe something drastically changes. But if people are searching around, they're going to see that at the top. So when you're reviewing things, just stay abreast of what the news is. Monitor any government and health directives and their recommendations. Also be aware of what the other companies are doing in your area and also in funeral service, and then revise your statement accordingly. And here I've provided just some helpful links that you can use to gather up-to-date information. NFDA has obviously funeral-specific information, the World Health Organization, the CDC. Also, CDC has a FAQ section that does have a funeral section. And then also for Canadians, there's the Canadian link as well. So that's it. I hope this short little video has been helpful, and that you can try to put some of your community members at ease by giving them some information, making it readily available on your website and your other online properties to get that information out. Thank you for watching this video. This has been Robin Heppel from funeralgurus.com.